Hello, yet again, my dear precious metals friends, and welcome this time to the silver analysis. My name is Dennis from Edgy. For the ones of you who don't know me yet, I am the CEO and founder of Edgy. Um, Edgy is a hedge fund as a service for retail traders. So we basically equip retail traders with the same knowledge, with the same capabilities as the big boys, okay, regarding education, where we offer mentorship, but now also the same tools that we have been so far only offering to institutions, okay? So this is what we are doing, and the last analysis has been quite some while. We were looking at this important resistance, okay? And I basically made the last analysis here. Have a look at this. Perfect rejection at the major resistance. I was calling for it approximately 2-3 analysis even before that we will probably reject from the zone. Why? Because we had been here before, Look at this. This is 14. And now, especially for my analyst colleagues who are analyzing this right now, when you guys were still going to school, in some cases even kindergarten, we were actually here even before that. Have a look. So you see this 2010. So I remember this because I was trading it. Yep, I was trading it even back here, and I perfectly remember this. So silver had broken out. I basically lost almost all my money here. I was an idiot noob trader who had no idea, who was just greedy, who wanted to make the quick buck, and I had lost huge amounts of money. So this was exactly here. But as you can see, the $18 to $20 range was an important resistance, which perfectly, for example, here, when we came all the way down, turned into support. So as in our zone, okay, the price just basically flips. This is a crucial concept of technical analysis, which you can, by the way, take as a prime example to explain it to people who still think that technical analysis is some voodoo, yeah, it's just some voodoo. Look at this, look at this, look at the voodoo here. Yeah, okay. So, of course, I said this yesterday too. Any asset in this world, guys, is going up and going down due to fundamentals. So if silver is going up right now, if gold is going up right now, it is obviously because of the money printing. Okay, it is because the dollar is getting worthless, because the euro is getting worthless, because Bitcoin is coming along. So, and by the way, it's already competing with gold and silver in that regard. But you see, so money is getting printed. Okay, the central banks make yet another round of printing, and this is what is going on in the big picture. But, okay, once you understand that, this, like where it actually happens, when the price reacts, okay, where like this trend translates into the chart. And this is where the fundamental analysts basically, the brain basically, maybe some neurons there, like something cuts off, okay? I don't know what's happening there, because that translates into hardcore price action. And you will see any move, no matter what happens in the fundamentals, you will see them in the chart going on, specifically with the trend. Okay, you will see it in the price levels, with the trend, with everything. So in this case, it's $18 to $20. We can see how crucial this is, and it's no voodoo. We are coming back. We are resisting here. Okay, we cannot break above, and we then get this beautiful. Have a look at this equilibrium range. Beautiful descending triangle, basically. Look at this. Beautifully. More and more tighter. Boom. Here comes the break. Then eventually we have a beautiful double bottom here. In this double bottom, even a Russian matryoshka, even another double bottom inside here. But what I mean is basically this, okay? So this first one and this, the second one. Look at the V-shaped recovery, okay? This is exactly what a double bottom is. Here is the pullback high. We are getting the break above the pullback high. And since then, we are inside a much uglier bull flag, okay, than gold has. Why? Because look at gold's, guys. Look at gold's, okay? Look at gold's bull flag, much clearer. Silver has this ugly, ugly wicks going on. And this is the major problem right now. So we have those ugly wicks going on, but nonetheless, we can still see the beautiful structure here, okay, with the lower highs. So we have the higher highs breaking to the higher highs, and then we have the lower high, lower high. Right now, this is exactly where we're at. Look at this. The bulls are, trying to come to the outer bands here already. So we are also getting respected, I would say, 2 times here to the downside, almost with the same slope. So not perfectly, but almost. And if we now were to zoom into this, so first of all, get our predictive indicator in here. Runar on the daily is green. When we go to the 4 hourly though, we are red still, okay? So we are red still in Runar in our predictive indicator, which measures the standard deviation from the VWAP and a bunch of other indicators, measurements for mass and energy in the market, which we have been providing institutional hedge funds already, okay? And so this is exactly a way of institutional measurement. And it shows us here, okay, we have been in a solid red. Look at this. Since when have we been in a red? Since basically the break above, when we came down from 19. So at the latest here, at 18, 13 here, we have been basically red, okay? So in order to change it here, of course, then we will have to go to the hourly and look, are we changing the VWAP here? And we can perfectly see, yes, it's actually happening right now. So we have been going back and forth quite a few times, as you can see here. So because if we just zoom into, we can see the volatility bands. And so this is exactly what the green light is. It is the end result of the predictive volatility bands and of current, okay? So this basically heart rate mess that you can see here is the measurement, the complex predictive measurement that is behind, and the end result you get is the lights, okay? And it shows us, okay, we are in institutional terms now, okay? The yellow line in the background is the VWAP. So we are grinding at the VWAP, and that's the reason why Runar basically turns green here, and we still slightly go down and turns green again. So have a look at this. So essentially, this is all breakout trades, break-even trades. So we have the red, and have a look. We get the green basically at the same range, but it's a good sign. Okay, it is a good sign from Runar. Runar is giving us green light. That means if the bulls, okay, so if the bulls can keep, so we basically had this beautiful, look at this inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We perfectly got the break, and yeah, it's going to be crucial to basically take out this zone still, okay? So we have to take out one zone above. And let me actually get this bigger. So we have even another, look at this, I'm just seeing this, we have even another parallel channel going on here if we were to look at this. So we can reject from the zone still, okay, maybe come down another time, it's entirely possible. But if we can get the definitive break above this zone, look at this, okay? So this is going to be the zone to basically take out. If we can take out the zone, and we are slightly coming into this now, then we can basically see a break above higher, okay? We can already look at the break of the bigger, and that's another Russian matryoshka, of the bigger channel that we are currently in. Because on the daily, then we will have come here what was potentially a head and shoulders, left head, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then basically we could see the break above here, okay? So that's the case, okay? Runar is green on the hourly, but of course, this will basically, we can perfectly still reject from the resistance, then we would come down, we would still consolidate further. It's going to be key to get over this zone, and then the 4 hourly would also change to green, okay? And then we could see our definitive breakout coming, probably together with big brother gold also, okay? So when gold basically moves, obviously it could drag or the other way, basically help silver definitely to come to the same breakout zone, okay? So that's the case, my dear friends, to silver. If you had some value, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment it if you have any questions, okay? Also to Runar, to anything that you want to ask. We have a trial version for it for $20, so you can literally just try it out. Look how you would have done in the past. I'm not going to do this for silver now. I did it for gold by the way. So how you would have done just trading, the lights, okay? Just going back and look at how you would have done if you, for example, bought here, sold here, bought here, and so forth. And you will get a pretty good sense how this is working, okay? For example, when Runar turns red here, have a look at this. I'm just seeing this. Runar turns red. It's pretty solid profit, isn't it? Look at this. So definitely, just check it out. Look how perfectly it works, and especially if you on top know how to trade anyway. So if you can read patterns, if you know what you're doing, this is just amazing because it gives you the additional confidence. It gives you the additional confirmation that is needed, and then you can easily go into trades or out of trades. Yeah. So that's it, my dear friends, silver traders. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the week. I wish you a beautiful rest of the week, no matter where you are, and say adios, amigos. See you.